Merry Christmas all. We finally got some warm weather, somewhat, in Southwest Florida, and we're going out in the boat to the boat parade tonight. And we're bringing along a lot of friends. So stick around and have some fun with us. Here's our Admiral getting all ready for a fun night.
Very excited.
Are you?
Very excited. Captain Tom does a lot of work to prepare for these fun events for everyone.
My biggest fan right there. Just waiting for our guests, and we have about a good dozen of them coming. Yeah. So should be a fun night. All right, ladies and gentlemen, once again, we're on happy hours with Captain Tommy and the Admiral, who's not barking orders, Bridget. Not yet. So we have a full boat tonight. As you can see, I'm not going to introduce everybody, just a bunch of tag-alongs that have found their way onto the boat. Thank you. Well, as you can see, I think there's like 10 more people on the boat, but I just don't see them. We gave a safety briefing earlier. Nobody listened to it, and so we consider ourselves safe. All right, we're just pulling into Bimini Canal.
Can you hear me up there on my boat?
Before the parade starts, we're gonna head up there into Bimini, and then we'll turn our lights on. The big reveal. We're all dark right now. I heard there's 75 boats already in Bimini Basin. So it should be a good night.
Merry Christmas!
All right, Bridget's got her little beers out.
Merry Christmas!
Go ahead there, Captain Steve.
Watch the box.
Cheers.
Little beer.
Have a holly jolly Christmas.
Here we are at the Bimini Basin,
Oh my golly, have a holly jolly
setting up for the big Christmas parade. Captain, how you feeling tonight, Captain?
Feeling great.
All right, you think you got this underway? Doesn't it look like he's being hung by his neck? Oh, yeah.
Merry Christmas!
Children, listen to hear sleigh rest in the snow.
You're like the MC!
Stay overnight. Right. The boat has an American flag on the aft, on the stern, and it's all lights. Very cool.
Looks amazing!
They got tired and had to dock, so yeah, Merry Christmas, everybody. We're going to take a quick view through our boat. Kelly jam into the music. We have the icicles, and it's back down the canal.
All around the Christmas tree, so